Afternoon, everyone. My name is Samuel, and I am a manager with Brahman Home Inspections, and I'm also a licensed Virginia home inspector. Uh, and today, I'm going to talk about the benefits of working with a certified professional home inspector. As Brahman Home Inspection, anyone else is just looking around. Okay, this is the outline of today's presentation. Who we are, who we work with, what services we provide, what benefits we provide, our rating system, which we utilize in our home inspection report, which is the culmination of all the major components that we're looking at, that we present to you with digital photos, with all the bells and whistles, and then we'll have a Q&A session at the end. Okay, so who we are. We're a small business and we're headquartered here in Lorton, Virginia, and we service primarily Northern Virginia, and by request, we do go into DC. We're veterans owned and operated. Also, we're small women's owned and operated. We're certified with the American Home Inspectors Training, AHIT, as basically the largest training operation in North America and institute. They're certified to operate in just about all 50 states. We're certified professional inspectors with INTERNACHI, that's the International Association of Home Inspectors, which is the largest international association of its kind for home inspectors. And we're licensed here in our state through our DPOR, and that's the Board of Asbestos, Lead, and Home Inspectors. We're certified residential measurement providers with the National Radon Proficiency Program, the NRPP, which is the oldest governing body that deals in the area or the field of radon collection and radon mitigation. It was started by the EPA and has since been taken over by the ARST, which is a body of scientists that have an interest in indoor air quality. Another indoor air quality area that we inspect in and test in is mold. We're INTERNACHI Advanced Mold Certified. So we can go to a house, we have the equipment to collect surface samples through swabs or tape being the most common method in the industry. And we also have the machines and equipment to collect air sampling for mold to see if the mold count in your home is indeed elevated. And we can give you guidance through the labs that we partner with who are certified on how to mitigate this potential pollutant in your home. We do sewer scope stuff. We flew out to INTERNACHI headquarters in Boulder, Colorado, and we took their in-person hands-on course for sewer scope. We're trained to use equipment. We're trained to use the cameras. We have our own cameras. We have our own equipment. We've created our own patent reports, and we provide video with our scopes. The lateral line is something that you cannot see from your foundation to the streets. However, it can be a big problem if it clogs up, and the lateral line belongs to you. What you can't see can in fact hurt you in your pockets. Okay. Certified pilots. We're certified remote pilots with the U.S. Department of Transportation, FAA. So we took a ground course. We are certified. We do carry our license. We are insured. We have drones. We primarily use our drones for roof inspections of the shingles and anything that may penetrate the roof, and ventilations and gutters. Also, we have the capability to shoot videos with our drone. Okay, who we work with. As we mentioned before, we work with INTERNACHI. We work with property owners and buyers. We work with realtors. In fact, we are a member of NVAR. That's the Northern Virginia Association of Realtors, our local body, our local real estate body agency in Northern Virginia. We work with other inspection companies, the National Radon Proficiency Program, and we are in their database. Owens Corning Roof Data Technicians. They're one of the largest manufacturers of shingles in the world, a Fortune 500 company, and we handle insurance claims for them as needed. Of course, we're AHIT, the largest training organization in North America, and we work with other real estate professionals such as investors. Okay, what services do we provide? Other than your standard home inspection, where we'll go from the roof all the way down to the foundation. And if we can get on the roofs, we do get on the roof. We have a 32-foot ladder, so we can reach most 2-story residential roofs. And we're going, and like I said, all the way down to the foundation. So we're looking at everything in between. We're getting into attics. We're getting to HVACs. We'll get into electricals. We're looking at the plumbing. We're looking at the appliances in the home, the exterior, the interior of the home, just to get an overall sense of what the condition is and what the health is of the home. We also do radon services, as we had discussed in prior slides. This is a picture of the interactive map that you can find on the EPA site, where you can drill down and look at your county throughout the United States and see what level or how much radon is in the ground where you live. Mold. We do mold inspections. It's important to know that mold is in the fungi kingdom, and all mold is a fungi, but not all fungi is in fact a mold. So through our labs, we can help in many occasions with the identification of what type of fungi that may be in the home, whether it be penicillin or whatever it is, and what the elevation of and the spore count is in that home. Sewer scopes. We provide sewer scope services, and many times with our camera, we can see what type of defects are in that lateral line and the material it's made of. And we have sonoid capabilities. With the sonoid, we can track and see the distance down the pipe that the defect is located. And we can provide you with recommendations on how to go forward with that line. Okay, what benefits we provide? Let's see. We have liability. We're licensed and insured with the state. We carry more insurance than what is required. We are professionals, and we can disclose what's going on with the house that you're going to purchase, which is the largest investment that most people are going to make in their lives, with our detailed reports. A home buyback guarantee. When you're dealing with us, this is a big one right here, important. The home buyback guarantee. So if we as an inspector miss anything on the inspection that we were supposed to see according to our standards of practice, we will buy back your home within 90 days of the closing of the home. However, we've never had to exercise this benefit that we extend to you. We're full-time and accessible. We do this full-time staff. We have fast reporting. Our target is to get this back, or get you a report completed in product within 24 hours of that inspection. continuing education. We're big on continuing education through InterNACHI. Is the main association that we are affiliated with. I personally, a member on the team, did approximately over 100 hours of continuing education last year. We do have the capability of extending the continuing education to our partner brokers and realtors. We also benefit from the support forum that's offered through InterNACHI. If it's something that we can't and we don't know, we post it onto our forum, and from our experience, they've always gotten back to us within a few hours to any of our queries. So we have a free board, essentially, of certified master inspectors nationwide to help us and to help you in answering the question. Porch. We partner with Porch. They're one of the biggest companies out there for home repairs. Um, Porch, through their software, are capable of providing repair estimators for the defects that we see. A lot of people, when I'm out there in homes and I have inspections, they want to know what's the cost going to be. This through the repair estimator, you can get a accurate cost of what the price is going to be, all the way down to zip code, for what contractors are charging for the various different repairs in this area. So you're more well armed than to help you with negotiations. They also offer move-in assistance. That's over a $400 benefit. We give you $100 worth of discounts to apply to any home improvement job that you may, or handyman job that you may want in your home, and you can keep that forever. Porch always will honor it, or it's something you can simply opt out of. Okay, this is our rating system. Satisfactory, as you can see here. If you have normal wear and tears that you see on the home, or it's in good condition, we'll go ahead and give that the rating of satisfactory. Marginal is going to be a replacement within the 5 years. Poor, when we annotate something as poor as an inspector, it's something that I want you to look at in the very near future, and it'll be marked as red on the report. You may want to get a technician out there to look at that equipment, because very soon it's nearing the end of its life, and you should plan on budgeting for that replacement. Finally, if you have any questions or concerns with any type of home inspection need, air quality need, to look at a roof, or whatever, feel free to contact us and communicate with us. Um, this is our number. We're Brahman Home Inspections. This is our number. It's 202 494 5499. Again, that's 202 494 5499. Check us out. Check out our webpage. We know that buying a home is a significant investment that can cause anxiety. So we arm you with information, our detailed reports with pictures about the overall health of the home, giving you and your family a peace of mind on possibly the largest investment um, of your life.